Elon Musk predicts universal income as AI set to replace all jobs. You're watching Parakeet Media, your trusted source for global headlines that matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news from around the world. Tech billionaire Elon Musk has once again sparked global debate, this time by claiming that artificial intelligence will eventually replace all human jobs, and that universal basic income will become a necessity. Speaking at the VivaTech 2024 conference in Paris, Musk boldly stated, "There will come a point where no job is needed. AI will do everything." Rather than calling it just universal basic income, Musk said we should expect something even bigger, a universal high income, suggesting that society will need a more generous safety net when machines take over the workforce. He described this scenario as benign, meaning that if AI develops in a peaceful and cooperative direction, humans may be freed from labor entirely, supported by systems that ensure everyone has access to money and resources, regardless of employment status. Musk isn't alone. Other tech visionaries like Mark Zuckerberg, Sam Altman, and Jack Dorsey have also backed UBI as a realistic solution to AI-induced unemployment. As AI accelerates across industries, from self-driving cars to creative writing, many experts warn that millions of jobs could become obsolete. A recent report from The Guardian asks, is universal basic income about to transform society? The idea once seen as radical is now gaining mainstream traction, especially as governments and communities begin to experiment with pilot programs around the world. According to Business Insider, some UBI trials have shown that giving people a basic monthly income leads to better mental health, more entrepreneurship, and fewer emergency visits. In a future with advanced AI, employment may become optional. And in that world, income will have to be universal. What do you think? Could a world without jobs be peaceful and prosperous, or are we racing toward a future we're not ready for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next report on global tech and policy updates. This is Parakeet Media, clarity, context, truth.